Hi, my beautiful dolls, my beautiful sunshines. I will be right back to talk to you in Spanish. I love you. Hola, mis muñequitas bellas, mis cielitos lindos. Bienvenidos de nuevo a este su canal. Y como lo prometido es deuda, aquí les traigo la primer gama de lo que venía en mi maletín. Voy a hacer primero que todo la colección NeoN de oRGaNiC Colors. Como ven, ya tengo mi pincel, los colores, los muestrarios listos y mi monómero listo. Y bueno, vamos a empezar con el color cherry y de ahí van a estar viendo cada color, les voy a estar mostrando. Lo que sí les digo es que batallé un poco con la consistencia porque no estoy impuesta a usar oRGaNiC. Al principio van a ver que batallo y ya más o menos voy agarrándole la onda. Estoy muy impuesta a usar exotic y tones y latin. Son una consistencia diferente. Para mi gusto son un poco más blanditas los acrílicos de otras compañías. Es buena, pero solo que ¿cómo les diré? La cantidad de monómero que uso con el acrílico oRGaNiC va a venir siendo un poco diferente a lo que estoy acostumbrado con otros acrílicos. Pero pronto le voy a agarrar la onda, no se preocupen. Y bueno, los dejo con el resto del video para que vean todas las gamas, espero les guste. No se los olvide suscribirse en el botoncito como este que está aquí y activar la campanita como la que está allá arribita, solamente que la de abajito de verdad no tiene carita, pero esta me gustó para ponerla aquí. Y bueno, las dejo con el video, espero les haya gustado. Muchos besos, abrazos y apretones, los quiero mucho, Dios me los bendiga y hasta la próxima, bye. Hey my beautiful dolls and my beautiful sunshines, I am back. So here, as I promised, I'm bringing you the swatches for the collections I got in my trolley, in my nail trolley, and I'm going to be doing them little by little throughout this time. The first one I'm bringing you is the neon colors from oRGaNiC Colors. This one is one of the ones that was complete. So you guys are going to be seeing the colors I'm doing as I'm doing them and I'm talking. And you're gonna see how pretty they are. I did have a little bit of trouble with oRGaNiC because I'm not used to their consistency. I'm not used to their ratio. I believe the ratio with my monomer and them is gonna be a little different than it has been with exotic, Latin, and tones. I'm just used to working with their products so much. I don't really purchase oRGaNiC as a choice. I really like the other products that I use. For me, the price is too high, and I don't know, I feel that the other products I buy are more economical and they work just as good. I'm not knocking them, they work really good. It's just for me easier to work with the other products. But yeah, once at the beginning of the video, you're going to see I'm having a little trouble. It's being a little too dry for me, and then I start working on my ratio from the monomer to the acrylic, and I start getting a little better at it. I think I just need to work at it. But these colors are beautiful. I love them so much. I hope you guys like this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe on the button that looks like this one down here below, and activate the little bell like this one, except the one down there doesn't have a smiley face. I just wanted to do the smiley face one, and that way you could get any notifications of any of my uploads. I'm sorry you guys, my throat is acting funny. Once again, I hope you guys ladies enjoy this video. I'll be uploading all of the collections little by little on my channel, so I'll be seeing you then. Thank you so much for being here. God bless you bunches, hugs, kisses, and squeezes. I love you. I'll see you on the next time. Bye. And so that concludes this video. I hope you guys liked. At the end of this video, I will be recommending some videos. I hope you go check them out. If you like this content, I invite you to go check them out. Again, hugs, kisses, and squeezes. I love you. God bless. Bueno, chicas y chicas, esto concluye este video. Espero les hayan gustado estas gamas. Si les gustó este contenido, los invito a ver los videos que estaré recomendando al final de este video. Solo tocan la imagen. También les recomiendo otros canales que les invito a ver. De nuevo, gracias por estar aquí. Mil besos, abrazos, apretones. Los veo a la próxima. Bye.